Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and don't forget to click bell icon to get new notifications. Hi friends, in today's recipe I am gonna show you how to prepare yummy and tasty mouth-watering dish chatpata style mango curry. If you have not tried curry with mangoes or if you are looking for different recipe with mangoes, this is the perfect dish. So the recipe I am sharing today is completely different from other mango curries and it can be prepared in curry style and chutney style. This curry has all the flavors in it and it can be stored for long time. So without any delay, let's get started. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit like button if you like this dish. To prepare this recipe, we need raw mangoes. If you don't get raw mangoes, you can also use semi-sweet mangoes. If you are using semi-sweet mangoes, please make sure mangoes to be firm, not soft. First clean mangoes thoroughly and peel the skin. Cut off the stem. Next cut mangoes vertically from all the sides. And make sure mangoes not to be over sweet. If mangoes are sweet, this recipe doesn't taste good. Next, cut mango slices in lengthwise and discard the seed. For curry style, cut mango slices into lengthwise. For chutney style, cut into chunks. If you are preparing this recipe in curry style, make sure mango slices to be little thick. Don't slice it thin because they turn mushy while cooking. So next, heat the pan. Add 1/4 cup oil. Heat oil on a medium-high flame. Once oil is hot, to this add half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin, 3 to 4 dry red chilies, 1/4 teaspoon hing, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 sprig curry leaves and saute for few seconds. Next add mango slices to the pan. Mix well with the oil. Saute on a medium flame for a minute. Next to this add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well with the mango slices. Now cover and cook on a medium flame for 2 minutes till mango slices leave some moisture. After 2 minutes remove the lid. Mix once. Now you can see mango slices are moist. To this add half cup jaggery. Mix till jaggery melts. Once jaggery melts, check the sweetness and add more jaggery if required. I am adding another half cup of jaggery. You can add jaggery according to your taste. Mix well until jaggery melts. Now cover and cook on a low flame for 5 minutes till mango slices are tender. I am not adding water to this curry. We should just cook this on the steam. After 5 minutes, remove the lid. Now you can see mango slices are tender. Mix once and check if mango slices are soft and cooked. If you are preparing this recipe in curry style, make sure slices to be a bit crunch. For chutney consistency, cook for another 5 minutes till mangoes are mushy. Also make sure to leave some jaggery syrup because once curry cools down, the mixture turns thick. Our mango curry is done. Turn off the flame and leave the curry in the pan until it cools down. To store it for long time, once curry comes to room temperature, transfer to the glass jar, refrigerate and store it for 10 days. Yummy and tasty chatpata style mango curry is ready. Serve only after it comes to room temperature. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel RR into your kitchen for more delicious recipes.